Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to cancel Disney Plus subscription. Now you need to know that you cannot do that by using the application on your phone. So here, as you can see, I'm using my iPhone, and I will simply go and open the Safari browser, then search for disneyplus.com. Once you are on this page, you need to scroll down till you find your manage account. Once you click on manage account, here you can see your subscription. You have to click on your subscription here. I have an annual subscription. So tap on your subscription. Then here it will show you all the details about your subscription and what is the next billing date and so on. So you just have to scroll down till you find here cancel subscription. Tap on cancel subscription and it will navigate you to this page. Simply click on cancel subscription and they will send you a confirmation email telling you that you have successfully canceled your subscription. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and goodbye.